Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Let's just get right into it. I'm going in with my virgin hair fertilizer. I'm going to use that on my hair first and on my scalp. I just washed my hair, and after that I'm going in with my 100% African Shea butter to moisturize my hair and make my hair really soft. And yeah, I'm just going to use that to massage my hair. After that, I'm going in with my Ama Essentials coconut oil. This is my own product. I'm going in with it. I'm going to just use it to seal in all the products on my hair. Please note that your hair has to be wet. Please, you have to make sure your hair is wet so that it can retain the moisture. So I'll take my comb now to divide my hair into like an L shape. I'm dividing my hair into an L shape. The essence is I want to have like two large buns, like two dramatic buns. And so basically what you see me do here is divide my hair to an L shape basically. After that, I'm going to use a rubber to secure it. So at this point my hair was already getting dry, so I had to spray some water, and I went ahead to use my comb to comb it out. I'm using this brush. Okay, you see that brush soon. I'm using that brush to make sure that there are no like stray hairs popping out. And I'm going in with my Petals. This is the only gel I trust that can hold 4C hair. The only gel that I've used that have held my hair. Gosh. So I'm going in with it and using it to make sure that there are no stray hairs, any hairs just standing out. Basically, that is it. Use that brush to slick my 4C hair down. And I go ahead to use a rubber band to secure it. And basically I'm doing the same thing with the front. Same process. Comb out, take gel, rub on hair, brush it, and secure with the rubber band basically. So that's basically what I'm doing, just repeating the process. So after that, now I'm just using my toothbrush to lay my edges down. Like legit, Petals is the gel I trust for 4C hair. It stayed all through the day. It did not flake, giving me all those whitish residues. It did not. This is an old pantyhose I had. I just cut it so I can use it to lay my edges. And I went on to go and do my makeup. Yeah, this is me after my makeup, and my edges are sweet. My edges are laid. God, this gel is just number one. This gel is number one for me. So I'm going to just go ahead to pick up my expression rich braid. This was the particular hair that I used for this style. Expression rich braid. I got it in the market for I think 1,000 naira. And I'll just go ahead to, those are my bobby pins, so I'll just go ahead to braid my hair so that it doesn't pop out, it doesn't stick out. I'll braid my hair down, both the front and the back. Take the rubber and secure the hair with the rubber. Then I am now twisting the hair. This style is very simple, guys. I'm just twisting the hair, and when I get to the ending, I'm going to use another rubber band to secure the end so that it doesn't pop out. Take a rubber band, secure the end, and just roll it. That's all you need to do. Roll it round and round and round that end inside and use your bobby pins to secure it. That is all. Use your bobby pins to secure it. It doesn't matter how the curl the twists look at the end. So far it is secured, you are good to go. And so what I'm doing is I'm using my bobby pins to secure it. This is the back view, and you can see it's so beautiful. So I'm just going to go ahead and do the same thing to the front. Same process, guys, same process. Use the rubber, secure it, and then twist the hair. Remember, after twisting the hair, when you get to the end, you need to use a rubber band to secure it. Use a rubber band to secure it. And so this is just me trying to see how I can push in. This one really gave me problems, honestly. I was just looking, I wanted that end to be at the back and it wasn't going to the back, so it was like just giving me serious problems. You can see I used yellow rubber band. Please, if you have black, it is preferable. This was what I just had. I couldn't find my black rubber bands, and so I just used this yellow rubber bands like that. Just look for a way you can, roll it round and make sure that end is at the back. At the end, I think what I did was when I rolled it, I now pushed it inside the other one. I guess you guys will see it soon. I rolled it and I was looking for a way to hide that bottom part, but it was giving me an issue. And so basically I rolled it and I push it in. You'll see that very shortly. So yeah, this is how I just decided to leave it. As you can see, it is really, really, really beautiful. But it was coming out, so I had to look for a way to secure it. And obviously, the best way to secure it is your bobby pins. So I just went ahead, took bobby pins, and I used the bobby pins to secure it inside. At this point, I was already running late for the wedding I was going for, and I just had to look for a way to just make sure those bobby pins fit in. And yeah, basically that was all I did. You can see the hair is already looking beautiful. By the way, have you subscribed to my channel? Have you subscribed? Please subscribe to my channel and like this video. And this is the final look of the hair. So please ignore that rubber. All those rubbers you are seeing, I really thought they didn't see it. They didn't see it, but I really loved this hair. It got me so much attention. I call it the command attention hairstyle. And don't forget to subscribe. This is the final look.